Hi, Ann Wood with Chris Realty. Are you looking for an affordable place in New Lenox? I have just the place for you. I'm at 1918 Heatherway Lane, Unit 37. This is a beautiful two-story townhome. It has two bedrooms, one and a half baths, a laundry room, and an attached one-car garage. So he just recently renovated this. You have brand new flooring, and the bathrooms are brand new too. The backyard is really nice. It's private, and you've got a fence in there. So if you're interested in seeing this place, reach out to me and I'll get you in it right away.